She was driving her Mercedes, sipping a Truly with an unshakable belief that the rules were somebody else's problem, right until she hit the Jeep.
Here we go, looks like they're gonna try to run. They're running.
This one is remarkable. Credit on this video goes to bodycam files. So let's see what she did here.
Van, or what was it?
It's a SUV. It's an ML350.
Pretty busy road. Oh,
left-hand turn here. He's pulling into a parking. No, he's not. He's still driving.
it's pretty scary.
If I'm following him. We're passing Chico's again. We just made a loop around. And they just came to a stop. And
In front of what business?
Chico's. He's just sitting there. He's got his.
And that's a nail place, right?
No, it's a clothing place.
Clothing store.
Yep. And now he's trying to back up.
Oh boy, that's not good. Get out of the way. Oh no!
Hit me. Motherfucker, just hit me.
You just hit the complainant.
And now they're driving away.
No, he did hit him. It's a signal 4 now.
Oh wow!
Trying to drive away. So now we're stopped here by the side of Panera Bread and Lychee.
Okay. Can you repeat the tag one more time since you're behind him right now? Because it did not come back.
Apple. Popo just pulled up. Never mind. There we go. There we go. Looks like they're going to try to run. They're running. Hold on. They're running. Nope, not yet.
Popo just pulled up and they're running.
Give me the tag before anything else happens.
Put the car in park and get out of the car. Put the car in park and get out of the car.
You know, most people watch body cam footage and see a confrontation, but after nearly 30 years in investigations, I see something completely different. If you want that second layer, subscribe. That's what this channel is built on.
Put the car in park and get out of the car.
I heard you the first time.
Get out, please.
Oh my God.
Should have Michigan tags on the Mercedes.
Oh no. No.
Put the car in park. Put the car in park. How do you put the car in park?
Oh really?
How do you put the car in park?
That's it.
All right, get out of the car for me. Stand over here. Stand back here. You do realize you just hit a car, right? Are you okay?
Oh my goodness.
No.
Okay, what's going on?
I'm trying to get my mom's food back to her place.
Okay.
Oh my God. Okay.
Where does she live?
Just over there.
Give me an address.
She keeps pursing her lips like it's kind of like a shame, and it's also a mechanism to remind herself not to talk, but it's not working here.
Can I sit down for a second?
You're fine here.
No, you got me like.
No,
Okay,
you're not going back in the car.
I mean, we see that you have an open container in the car.
You show signs of impairment, so
No.
we got a call about you swerving out of your lane of travel, almost hitting cars, and then this vehicle here, you backed into it. What's with that?
Look, I'd appreciate it if you subscribed here, but if you want an even deeper dive into true crime cases from the first call to the final verdict, check out my other channel. It's called The Comm Center. Every good true crime story starts with a 911 call, and my partner John is an active 911 dispatcher, and we'll take you on a journey of today's most popular cases with our insider perspective. The Comm Center on YouTube.
Oh my God. Please, God, don't do this to me.
Well, I'm not God, but
I know you're not God, but my mom is 82 years old, and I'm trying to just like enjoy my life with her.
Please, God, don't do this to me. She invoked religion first, then blamed the officer for her plight, and then appealed to her sympathy. Like, I'm just trying to enjoy life with my mom. She's 82 years old. It's got nothing to do with your open container and your inability to maintain sobriety while you're driving.
I understand that, but
By the Publix or by...
Oh God.
We are on the north side of Panera.
how
The
many
officer's talking to you.
how many of those truths have you had?
One.
Just one.
One. Yeah. One. Yeah.
Yep.
Please.
Just one.
Had anything else?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Do you
Please.
take any sort of medications?
I have, no. It's like non-existent. It's like a GERD thing, so
Okay.
it's no big deal.
Do you have anything else wrong with you as far as medical history goes? Any surgeries you've ever had? Disabilities? No?
Please, I can't have this happen.
I mean, I had tea martinis.
Oh my God, look at this. This is crazy. Why do we have so many
Can we check to make sure you don't have any damage to your car?
I'm fine.
Well, I want to check to make sure there's no damage.
No, I'm good.
Well, you don't call the shots here, okay? I'm just trying to be nice.
No, I don't have any, I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Well, like I said,
I gotta go home to my mom.
Can you listen to me? We got a call about you driving erratic. People were concerned because you almost hit other vehicles. On top of that, you pulled into here and then you started backing up, hitting that Jeep right there.
Well, because it was a one-way street. That's why.
So why would you be backing up?
Because it was a one-way street. I'm like, I have to do
Because I was just going one way.
something different.
This
That's
isn't
why.
a one-way street. You can have two vehicles through here.
Oh my God.
Shout out to all the mothers out there. I just want to say, this woman's mother is 82 years old. She wants her mommy. The last two videos that we've done on this channel, they've asked to call their mommy.
I can't have this happen. My
Alright.
mom is 82 years old.
Do not reach over to me.
No, my mom is 82 years old. I can't have this happen, please.
Okay, ma'am, that is besides the point. I mean, you literally just hit a car and you have
I did
alcohol
not
in your
hit-
vehicle.
I did not hit a car.
You
All right.
did. We're telling you that you did.
Well, to dispel any of that suspicion of you not being able to use your motor vehicle, I'm going to do some field sobriety exercises on you, okay?
No.
No, you're not going anywhere.
Nope, and I'm out of
Do
here.
not walk away from me.
I have to call my mom.
Well, you can call her afterwards.
No, I
okay?
have to call my mom.
You can call her afterwards.
Please. I have to call my mom.
Not right now. I will give you the opportunity to call her, but right now we're having
No.
we're talking to you, okay?
No.
Can you check if the caller wants 1025?
No. I have to have my mom. Oh my
Is this
God.
vehicle registered to you?
Okay, you're not getting in your car right now.
If she's available, I need to
That's why I'm standing right here. What is it that you need?
Call my mom.
You're not calling your mom right now, like we've told you
Yeah.
3 times.
Please do. I need to speak to
You can call your mom in a little
This
bit.
cannot happen. No, this cannot happen. My mom is 82 years old. I'm here to celebrate her life.
Okay,
If you were here to celebrate her life, I don't know that you'd be sipping on a Truly in your Mercedes, driving backwards through the Panera parking lot, drunk, allegedly.
do you realize what's happening right now?
Yes,
You have to deal with this before you can talk to your mom. You have hit a vehicle and you
I
have
didn't hit a
alcohol
vehicle.
in your car.
I did not hit a
Okay,
vehicle.
it's not up for discussion. You
Hold
did
on.
hit a vehicle is what we're telling
So
you.
wait a second. Whose vehicle did I hit?
I believe that white Jeep right
that's right there.
I
And you can't deny it because I literally pulled up and I saw you backing up. And then as soon as I turned my lights on, you started driving off. And then I had to tell you to stop and you almost didn't stop.
I want to see it. Please.
Okay, you can see it because my
Yeah,
camera
I would like to
captured
see
it all.
Please. Yeah.
But you're not seeing it right now. Right now, what I want to do is some field sobriety exercises on you. Now, if you deny that, I'm gonna have to base all of the circumstances up to this point right now to decide what I want to do.
The officers didn't have the benefit of seeing her drive out on the road. He saw that she was clearly confused. She has no idea where she's going. She even backed into him. And now they're confronting her, and her immediate reaction is confusion again. Like, she doesn't even know why she's being pulled over.
So I'm giving you that opportunity to dispel. No, don't
Who is
look.
the
Don't
man
look.
in the Rubicon? Is he there?
Yeah, that's
he's
the
there.
vehicle that you hit.
Yes.
How did I hit him? Can I talk to him?
No.
Why can't I?
Because you're talking to me.
Why can't I talk
Because
to
you're
him?
talking to me.
I can talk to him.
Okay,
I have my
whenever I
rights to talk
decide.
to him.
Okay, this is the point that she will not let go. You'll see in a second here. She has got it dead set in her mind that it's her right to talk to this guy that she just ran into after being drunk, allegedly.
Whenever I decide.
I have my rights to talk to him. I do.
Okay.
I know my rights. I can talk
That's
to him.
great. We're doing a DUI
I know.
investigation right now.
No.
Yeah, we
I
are.
know that I can talk to him.
Yeah, whenever I give you the opportunity to.
No.
As of right now, we're doing a DUI. Listen to me.
No. You are wrong.
I'm
I
not.
can talk to him.
No.
Yes, I can.
No.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Will you be doing these field sobriety exercises for me?
Can I talk to him?
Will you be doing these field
Can I
sobriety?
talk to him?
Will you be doing these
Can
field?
I talk to him?
No.
Am I allowed to
No.
talk to him? Why not? Why not?
Because we are doing a DUI investigation. Okay, we need you to answer a question
No,
first.
I am.
The officer to the right of her is the translator. She's actually the voice of reason. She perceives the one in front of her as the bad person because she knows that she's about to take her to jail probably. So she's always kind of turning to her right and the one on the right is always like, hey, reality check.
If you're not answering this question, I'm going to take it as a refusal that you do not want to take these sobriety exercises.
Oh, don't do that.
I will.
No.
I will.
No,
and everything
no.
is captured on camera, so I don't care what you say.
Okay, ma'am, are you willing to do field sobriety exercises? That's what we need to know.
I want to talk to him.
You will. You will have the
understand
opportunity,
that.
but not right now.
I want to talk to him.
Okay.
I do want to talk to him.
Okay, ma'am.
Why can't I talk to him? Just call me Lisa.
You can talk to
Call me Lisa,
Okay,
please.
Lisa, can you listen to me for a second?
Lisa's upset about being called ma'am.
We need you to answer a simple question. Are you willing to do these exercises or are you refusing?
I want to talk to him.
Once
Okay,
you answer
can
this
you
question,
answer my question.
No, I can't. Without answering that question, I want to talk to him.
Okay.
The person. Oh my God. Oh, I know him. Interesting.
okay. Are you willing
The old
to
I know
these
him.
field sobriety exercises? Yes or no? Lisa, yes or no?
Why can't I talk to him?
Like I said, answer this question and
Why
then
can I talk to him?
answer this question and then we'll continue
Why
with
can I
that.
talk to him?
Lisa, why do you need to talk to him? We'll talk to him.
Because as of right now, I am talking to you.
Like
All right.
we said, we'll handle that in a second, but we need you to answer a question before we can move forward.
Go ahead. Ask me the question again. I want to talk to him because I know him.
I need you to pay attention then, okay?
Yeah.
Are you willing to provide field sobriety exercises at this time? No?
No, I'm going to talk to him.
Okay. All right, turn around. Hands behind your back.
No.
Do not
don't
resist. Do not resist.
No.
Do not resist.
No, please. No.
Nope.
Don't resist. So hold on.
So in this scenario, we see that she's entitled and she's about to be held accountable for her actions. Hooray, police. My question to you is, and I want to see it in the comments, does she feel this entitled when she's not, after, maybe had a few drinks? Is she always this way, or is this the alcohol talking?
Wait a second. Can you please hold us? Can you hold on a second, please?
15 or secured?
Please, can
Secured
you hold
for
on
now.
a second? No.
Stop moving. We're trying to lock the cuffs so they don't get
Can you
tighter.
hold on a second, please?
You gotta wait a second.
No.
We'll put her in my car for now.
No.
Ma'am?
No. You cannot do this, please. No.
Yeah, that's not for you. Secure
Hold
right
on.
now.
Can you hold on a second, please?
Have a seat.
No.
You sure she doesn't have anything on her?
Can you hold on a second, please?
All right, have a seat.
No.
Have a seat.
No.
Okay, you don't really have a choice, so take a seat, and we're gonna have you take a seat.
Hold on. Can I ask you a question?
Ma'am? Have a seat.
Oh, please.
A2.
I'm not doing this. Come on. I'm not doing this.
I'm not doing this.
You're going to jail tonight for DUI, okay?
No.
I'm not making light of the addiction part of it. I understand the addiction part probably a lot better than any of you realize. I am definitely making light of her behavior. Sometimes drunks are fun and sometimes they're not, but they always provide interesting interactions. Alleged drunk may be a better term, but she pled to it as well. She pled no contest. So folks, please don't drink and drive. 30 days in jail, 12 months probation, 6-month license suspension. The truly costs about $4. You want to see an entitled Karen try to hide her drugs? Check out this one right here.